Ever wondered how to pair kitchen and dining lights for the best ambiance and functionality? It's all about striking the perfect balance. The right lighting can enhance your kitchen's design elements, ensuring both usability and ambiance. Let's delve into some tips and tricks to get the perfect pairing. Pairing lights isn't just about aesthetics, but also about functionality. Let's delve into some quick tips. First off, consider coordination. Pairing complementary lighting styles can create a unified ambiance across your kitchen and dining areas. Secondly, remember functionality. A blend of task, ambient, accent, and decorative lighting can ensure your space is both practical and stylish. Thirdly, don't underestimate the power of natural light. Optimizing natural light can greatly enhance your space, and remember to adjust your task lighting accordingly. Fourth, use your room layout to your advantage. Zone lighting and open floor plans can offer better atmosphere control. Lastly, pay attention to finishes. Matching finishes between your kitchen and dining lights can create a harmonious look. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about some trending lighting styles. When it comes to lighting styles, the options are plentiful. Hanging lights like chandeliers and pendant lamps bring functionality and ambiance to your space. Wall sconces are another popular choice, adding a touch of elegance to any room. LED lights offer energy efficiency and durability, making them an excellent investment. Finally, don't overlook accessories. Dimmer switches and smart home integration can provide enhanced control and comfort. With these tips, strategies, and style options, you're now equipped to pair your kitchen and dining lights like a pro. Lighting is a key component in any kitchen or dining area makeover. It's not just about visibility, but also setting the right mood and highlighting your design elements. Remember, coordinating your lighting styles, considering functionality, optimizing natural light, making the most of your room layout, and matching finishes are all crucial. Trending styles like hanging lights, sconces, and LED lights can add a touch of elegance and efficiency. If you're ready to take your kitchen and dining area to the next level, don't hesitate to reach out to Kitchens by Woody's for expert guidance and hassle-free remodeling services.